have some folk that are coming up that are not agreeing with how things are being run. And they are revolting against the people who are in place at this moment. And that means Marion Pugh.
I am the mayor. Greensboro is my city.
He's grown accustomed to that power, and he doesn't want to let it go. I, on the other hand, kind of see the writing on the wall.
Businesses, gone. Politicians, judges, cops, dead or irrelevant. This is a new world, and we have no place in it.
Vita also does not want to let this power in this situation go. I think she really believes in Barry Valentine because he brought her from a mighty long way.
You taught me one thing. You taught me fear and respect are the true currency.
She and Marion Pugh are both, for different reasons, pushing me not to cave in. They need me on board to be able to go forward.